So you must have seen this kind of viral ASMR shorts on TikTok and Instagram, which are gaining a lot of views and tractions these days. If you want to learn how to create ASMR shorts, head over to the N10. N10 is a popular automation no-code AI tool, which will be very helpful to create this kind of shorts on Autopilot. So first, we should have a schedule trigger, which will schedule our trigger of the automation. If you want to keep it for a days, for minute, for hour, it's up to you. Whatever the duration you want to have, and then we directly connect it to the one Google Sheet, where you need to have the right credentials available with you. And here we are like getting the rows into the automation from the Google Sheet. So make sure that you are fetching the details from the correct sheet. So here we have selected our sheet that we want to have the data which is already stored over here on the Google Sheet. And now if we go to the aggregator, we have aggregating all the input that we are going to give. So now if you see how we are aggregating the details like the data and required field over here. Now it's like the set node, which you can search it on here. You can search it as a set, and then you can edit this field as I have done it here. So if you click on this, and you can choose the manual mapping. So if we choose the manual mapping, and simply you need to drag and drop this data of each input that we are supposed to generate, and the output will be as the object of the whichever the fruit we are going to select. And then we are going to have the idea agent. Idea agent is nothing but generating the particular prompt for our shorts. So here we are putting just this object over here, and we have given it as a system message. System message is nothing but the prompt, which you can get in my description of the channel. And here you can just write as it is, and it will give you the same results. And now we also need to connect this to one OpenAI chat model, which is taking the input from the user and generating the prompt. And then we need to structure output parser, which is JavaScript code, which is again available in the description of the video. And once the idea is generated, once the script is generated, we are going head over to another prompt agent, which is responsible to generate the video basically. So here we have given the input, the prompt message, whatever the prompt, then the video that we are going to create, and this is the system message again. This is the whole script that we are going to give to the OpenAI model, whichever you want to choose. So here you can also get the same script on my channel description. And then we are heading over to the HTTP request, which is nothing but the post method. So here we are requesting the fal.ai to generate the images and the videos for us. Here if you go to the VO3 API, you can read all the instruction. Here we are using the HTTP URL request. Here you can read all the instruction. We are using the post request, and we are using this URL of VO3. So here you can just make sure that you use the generic credential type, and the generic auth type will be the obviously the header auth. You can go through the documentation over here. Here you can select it and use the credentials of the fal.ai, which is the authorization, and the value is key space your API key, which you can get it from your fal account. And then head over to the send body, because we are going to use the post request. Here the body content will be the JSON, and here the body parameters goes to name or as the prompt, which is going from getting from the previous node. And here is the value is nothing but the replacing the created prompt, replacing the given input. And here we need to select some parameters such as the aspect ratio. If we do need to generate the audio, we are also selecting as a true. And after this we are going to wait for like couple of minutes. So 5 minutes is good enough, as it will take around 3 to 4 minutes usually to create our video. And now we are going to get the video done. So here we can name it as a get video. Here we are getting it from the previous node, and with the same credential that we are going to use. But here we are going to get method, because we need to get the video which is created by our model, false view model. And now we need to edit this field. Here we are just mapping the already created video, which is the video URL, which will be going to get as an output. And once it is done, we need to delete the previous created row in the Google sheet. So here the same thing, you need to make sure that you connect to the same Google sheet. Here we are going to use the same same sheet that we need to use it, and the operation to be done as the delete the rows. So we are deleting the rows over here, and then on the next step we are going to append the row, or we are going to add the data which is going to get from the previous step. So the same will be shown here. If you see that this is the input that I have given, and this is the URL that I got from my automation. And if you just click on it, it will download over here. And if you open it, you can see how it has been created. It is completely created with the VO3, which is super amazing. And yeah, you can post it on any of the social media platforms. These videos are getting tons of views these days. So this is very interesting and very popular to create these kind of shorts these days. If you want to get the access to all the automation, all the prompts, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and here you can get all the details in the description. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.